Hello and welcome to Stu's Tech Time. I want to talk about microphones today. This microphone here is a Rode NT-USB condenser microphone. Now I've had this ever since I started my channel. I've used it in all my voiceovers, and if you remember, if you're one of my oldest subscribers, you remember I used to use it all when I was up in the attic and all my attic videos. And it's a great mic, but I'm going to replace it. Why? Well, I'm just going to tell you. So yes, this is my Rode, trusty Rode NT-USB mic, and it's a great mic. So why would I want to get rid of it? Well, this is a condenser mic. Now I mentioned that before. There's two types of mics. You can have condenser mics, you can also have dynamic mics. Now this is a condenser mic. This is great for vocals. It's great for recording music, live instruments. It's also good for podcasts, but there are a couple of drawbacks from it. This isn't a fantastic mic. It sounds great. I'm sure you'll find that the audio right through you're hearing right now is really good and clear. It's very crisp. But there are a couple of drawbacks from using condenser mics. Now, the field of, well, I can move around, that's what I mean, and you'll still pretty much hear everything that I have to say. And that is a good thing. It can also be a bad thing because it's going to pick up all the background noise. Now, that's one of the problems that I've had using this mic. It picks up all the background noise. Birds singing, cars going by, even, I've had to even unplug a clock on the wall because you could hear the tick, tick, tock. So it will also hear me swallow. And sometimes it's just too sensitive. So I'm going to replace it with a different mic, and it's a dynamic mic, and dynamic mics are what generally used in the broadcast industry, i.e. radio. While Stuart's faffing about there, I need to make an apology. You're going to hear a few bumps. You're going to hear a few annoying noises from me putting things on the table. I didn't realise that I needed a shock mount for this mic. So it's been noted, I'm going to buy one, and rest assured I'm going to give myself a right good smack in the bottom. And this is it here. It's the Samson Q2U dynamic mic. It's great. Now, a dynamic mic is this, well, they're broadcast quality mics, and the ones that you see on stage, for example, that do live events are all dynamic mics, like this one here. Now, the one thing I didn't mention about the Rode NT-USB is that a condenser mic is very fragile. So if I dropped this, for example, it would pretty much be done, and I would have to buy another mic. With this, you can literally drop the mic and it will be absolutely fine. It's a lot more rugged. Condenser mics take a lot more of your, I'm no expert, but it does take a lot more wavelengths, I guess, from the sound. This is more narrower. It's better for vocals, not so good for music and that sort of idea. But it also adds a little bit of bass as well. And I like the sound. I like it. I like it a lot. I think it looks better on camera as well. And I think you can get better voiceovers from it. But it is supposed to be really good for blocking out background noise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little test. I'm going to do a test with this Rode NT-USB. I'm going to play some Fortnite in the background in the other room. I'm going to do a test with the Rode, and I'm going to test with the Samson. The Samson, not Samsung, but Samson Q2U dynamic mic. This is a test for background noise, and I'm using the Rode NT-USB condenser mic, and in the background you might hear Fortnite playing on my PlayStation in the other room. This is a test for background noise, and I'm using the Samsung Q2U dynamic mic, and in the background you might hear Fortnite playing on my PlayStation in the other room. So I really don't know what the best sound is because I've never actually done a comparison yet. I might do another video at the end of this to give you my thoughts on it. Either way, who knows? If you hear it, I don't really care because this is going to stay really like it. It's the Samsung Q2 dynamic mic, and it's also very, very affordable. I was going to show you the box there. This is it here, and this is about £60, £60. This Rode NT USB's twice that. It's double the amount, and you do get quite a lot of accessories with it as well. You get this little shield here. You get a little stand, which is, yeah, it's, to be honest with you, there's not much use for it. But what you also get is this other cable. You get a mini USB or micro USB that will plug straight into your computer, and you also get this. This is an XLR cable because this is not only USB, it's also XLR. Now, XLR is the sort of things you might see roadies carrying these kind of cables around because you'll use these with live events, and it does give you a little bit better quality in your recording and in audio. So what's good about this is that it does USB, so you can just plug it straight in, or if you want to upgrade and buy a mixer or a preamp, then you can use the XLR function, and that will give you just that little bit better audio quality. So it's a really great mic for that as well because it does do the two. It's also got an on-off switch, so you can use that as a mute, and I just think it looks good. Let me know what you think in the comments section if you actually like it better or not. You do, as I said, this, I've already gone over what's in it, so I don't know why I need to go over it anymore, but you can use this with tablets as well. I'm not sponsored by it, I'm just letting you know what it's like. I just bought it out of my own money, and I'm really, really happy with it, and it's definitely going to stay. I don't know what I'm going to do with the Rode mic right enough. I don't know if I'll use it. I like this. It's a great mic. So if you like this kind of video, leave a like, smash that like button. If you don't, you think it's utter crap, then put the likes down or dislike or whatever you want to call it. And let me know in the comments what you didn't like about it, how I can improve on the videos. That's all I want to know. If you want to see any more of these videos, subscribe to my channel, please. It's so easy. Just click that little button there, and I'll see you in the next video that way. And also click the bell. Forgot that. Click the bell. And that way you'll see me any future videos that I put online. So thanks very much for watching. I've really kind of splattered and sputtered over the line here, but I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.